Hello, this is Vocabulary 1. Today we will learn 5 words. First, ambit. Ambit means scope, extent, or bounds of something. जिसे हम कहते हैं सीमा. Ambit means सीमा, scope, extent. Sentence. These days, social media provides wider ambit to business professionals. Ambit. Ambit means scope, extent. Seema. Second, plethora. Plethora means a large or excessive amount of something. बहुतायत. Sentence. Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance Industries Limited, found a plethora of gas reservoirs under the sea. Plethora. Excessive amount of something. बहुतायत. Next, bolster. Bolster means support or strengthen, sahara. Sentence. Induction of Rafale jet fighter has bolstered the might of Indian Air Force. Bolster, support, sahara. Next, jocular. Jocular means humorous or playful. हास्यकार. Sentence. I like to interact with jocular people. हास्यकर, playful. Jocular means playful. हास्यकर. Next, complacent. Complacent means feeling so satisfied with one's own abilities or situation that you feel you do not need to try any harder. Atmasantusht. Sentence. In this competitive world, we cannot afford to be complacent with our achievements. Complacent, Atmasantusht. Thank you.